With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A ball kept in a closed box moves in the box, making collision with the walls. The ball is kept on a smooth surface. The velocity of the center of mass. You have to select the correct option. So if you see, when the ball will make the collision with the wall of this cube, what will happen? The two will, let's suppose this is the wall and this is the ball. Right, when it will collide, the two will be acted by impulse in opposite direction, and because of this impulse, momentum of both the ball and this wall will change. The box and the ball will have different momentum after the collision. Since you can see, the impulsive force will act on the both, right? So I will write here impulsive normal reaction, rather I would say, will act on ball and box, because of which there individually the momentum will change. So ball's momentum and box momentum both will change individually. But if you take this as a system, right, if you take this as a system, so I took it as a system, so you can see now this normal reaction is an internal force, right? So if this is the internal force, then you can see there is no external force, right? And is there, if there is not any external force, then center of mass acceleration will be this by total mass, so it would be 0. So if the center of mass is having no acceleration, then it's, if you can write the momentum of the system, right, that is equals to total mass into acceleration of the center of mass, and acceleration of the center of mass is constant, it's 0 rather, since there is no external force, right? What I have wrote, so yeah, so this will be velocity, right? So velocity is constant since acceleration of the center of mass is 0, right? So this will be constant. Very simple. Now you can see which option is the correct one. The center of mass of box plus ball system will remain constant. So B will be the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.